and welcome back, everybody. In today's video, we are going to see if we can recover our deleted Facebook account after 30 days or get back our Facebook deleted account. So let's just dive right in without any delay. So for that, let's head over to Facebook first. So you can start by opening up the Facebook application for that, and you will be finding this page, which should be available like this in the section where you need to enter up your credentials in order to log in. So here usually in the section we enter up your mobile number or email address, and right below it we need to enter up the password associated with our account and tap on this login option. And you should be able to recover your deleted Facebook account if it is before the interval of 30 days. So, if you're looking out to recover your deleted Facebook account after 30 days, you cannot recover a permanently deleted Facebook account after 30 days. However, if it has been less than 30 days, you can just go over and cancel the deletion by simply logging in into your account. Use your credentials right here and tap on this login option. And once you do so, you will be logged in into your account. And after you do so, after you have initiated the deletion before 30 days, if you just go over and log in into your account, you should be able to get back your account. But if the 30 days interval has passed, you won't be able to get your account back. So it is not possible to do so. You can also see that Facebook has stated that after 30 days, the account and all the associated information are permanently deleted. While some of the information might be kept in the backup storage for about 90 days, it is not accessible to you. So you can just go over and do so. If it has been less than 30 days, you can just go over and follow the prompts to cancel the deletion, and your account will be deactivated with all of your data intact. So that is it, everybody. We hope this information was helpful to you. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.